Whole parking lot been rinsed down. There go your north side lot. There go your sidewalk all the way down. There go your east side rinsed down, curve been done all the way down. Brick front glass. Sidewalk. Go to the west side of your building that's been rinsed down all the way to your driveway. You go your sidewalk on the west side all the way. There go your south end of the building, sidewalk, curb appeal all the way. Building, dumpster pad back here been clean. Thank you, buddy. I'll see you on the next building. Thank you.